Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Sankap Sarap TV, where we recreate your favorite restaurant dishes right at home. Today, we're cooking restaurant-style pork steak, juicy pork chops simmered in a rich savory sauce with tangy calamansi and lots of sweet caramelized onions. This recipe is simple, budget-friendly, but tastes exactly like something you'd order at a Filipino restaurant. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you the secret to making pork chops tender, flavorful, and perfectly saucy every time. Let's start cooking. Ingredients: 10 pieces pork chops, bone-in preferred. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 5 tablespoons cooking oil, for searing. 2/3 cup soy sauce. Half a cup calamansi juice, or lemon juice. 2 cups water. 3 large onions, cut into rings. 5 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional but gives restaurant flavor. 1 teaspoon cornstarch plus 2 tablespoons water, slurry, optional for thickening. Optional, chopped spring onions for garnish. Procedure: pat the pork chops dry using paper towels. Season both sides with salt and black pepper. Let rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavor to penetrate and keeps the pork juicy. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add 5 tablespoons cooking oil. Sear pork chops in batches, do not overcrowd. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove and set aside. The pork is not fully cooked yet, this step builds flavor and color. Sauté garlic in the same pan until fragrant. Add half of the onion rings. Pour in soy sauce, calamansi/lemon juice, water, brown sugar, oyster sauce, bring to a boil. Return all pork chops to the sauce. Cover the pan. Simmer over medium-low heat for 20 to 25 minutes until tender. Taste the sauce first. Add the cornstarch slurry. Stir until the sauce slightly thickens. Add remaining onion rings. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes only so onions stay slightly crisp. Place on a serving plate. Top with onion rings. Drizzle the sauce around the edges. Optional, chopped spring onions. And there you have it, our delicious restaurant-style pork steak, tender, saucy, and packed with classic Filipino flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more easy restaurant-style dishes you can cook at home. Comment below what restaurant favorite you want us to recreate next. Your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thank you for watching Sangkap Sarap TV, where every recipe brings restaurant flavors straight to your kitchen. See you in the next video.